Reliable, powerful, and convenient, the RYOBI 3100 PSI Pressure Washer is capable of providing the power you need to get the job done faster. The premium Honda GCV170 167cc engine provides easy, reliable starting. With the 5-in-1 quick change nozzle, you can quickly select between spray patterns for versatile cleaning. The included 35-foot non-marring high-pressure hose increases standard reach by 40%, allowing you to get to those hard-to-reach areas. For a deeper clean, use the onboard soap tank for easy detergent application. For user convenience, the large 12-inch flat-free wheels and durable hand truck frame design allows you to easily move to your next job. The RYOBI 3100 PSI Pressure Washer, powered by Honda, sold exclusively at the Home Depot.